access the item dictionary by referring the key name inside the square brackets. Okay, get the value by using the model and key. And this one is variables name, and this one key and value sphere. And first is access the model one. This one is model one. Okay, output is this one. Okay, Mustang. This one is output. Access the value by using the key. Access the key. Okay, models key. And there are also methods called get. One method is models key access. Then second is get methods. Get the data. This one is dict. This dict dot get model. This one is a model is a key name. Okay, then get the data same as. Okay, same. But different is this one is a access the key using the key, and this one is using the get methods. And get keys, all keys are get. This dict dot key. Okay, this key methods will be returns list of the key in the dictionary. All key is access. Okay, all key brand models. This one is key using the key, and this one is the list of key values of dictionary, meaning is the change the done of the dictionary will be referring the key and list. And next example is add a new items with original dictionary, add a see that a key list get the updated as well as. This one is updated. First one is car brand, then this one, and x is equal to car dot key. Okay, car dot keys, and print x before the change. This one is before the change, same as access, only key access. But car colors is equal to white after changing. Okay, this one is same as without changing, but this one is changing. Okay, this one is color is white. This one is colors is equal to white. All keys are access. This one is key name, and this one is values. Okay, after this print car. Okay, after this changeable this one, and print the car values, and updated value is this one, car and white. Okay, this one. Any confusion this one? Hello?
No sir.
Okay.
Hello, no sir.
Okay. This one is updated by using the car is equal to white. And next is get the value. Get the values method will be returns list of all values in the dictionary. Okay, this one get a list the values as equal to this dict dot values. All values are access, and output is all values. This one is all value. This one is this dict dot key. Key means all key is output. Then value is dot value means all value is get the data. Okay, the list values is a view of a dictionary, meaning this is a change the done, and dictionaries will be reflect the values of list. Examples. Next example is make a change the original dictionary and the C object variables list get updated as well as. And once we this is a car is a variables name. This is a dictionary. X is equal to a car dot values, same as same values or printed all before the change, and after this change same as. After this change is updated. Changing is updated. Okay, this one is change, same as brand and food, and change is the years. This one is change after this one 2020. This one is 1964, and this one is 2020. Only values is change. Add a new items the original dictionary, and the C value is the list get update as well as. And this one is car dot values, and print the X before the changing same as. But colors is equal to red. Okay, this is add. Then after this print, and output is red. This one is red. Added the function. Add the new values. And get items means all get the items and key and values. Okay, the items method will be returns items the dictionary as a tuple is a dictionary. This one is output is key and values are printed. This one is key and values are printed separate. Okay, the returns list view items dictionary, meaning that you change the done, then dictionary will be reflected the items in the list. Okay, this one is make a change the original dictionary, and the items will be gets updated as well as. Car is equal to brand, foods, models, and years, and before changing this car dot items access this all this one items means key and value printed. Then car year means this one, and updated this one 2020. And after this okay, this one is same before changing this one first one, and after this changing year is 2020. And next example is add a new items original dictionary as a C that items list get updated as well as. This one is car dot items, and print X same as printed. and this one is change color dot red, color car colors is equal to red, then print the data and updated value is car is red. Okay, color is last one is red, this one is red. Check if key is exist. Okay, to determine the specify the key present in the dictionary, use the in keywords. Using the in keywords, check the key, okay, present in the dictionary. This one is check if models present in the dictionary, using the, this is a conditions, if models in this dict, okay, models in this list, this is condition is true, then printed this one part. Okay, okay, any confusion this one? Access dictionary item by using
No, sir.
the key values get methods and key using get values